Hey everyone, Cory from CJ's here, and today we'll be showing you how to install Diode Dynamics Elite Series fog lights onto your new Ford Bronco. So today we have the Diode Dynamics Elite Series fog lights. These fog lights are going to be a direct replacement for your standard series Bronco bumper with no modification needed. These fog lights keep an OEM look, but not the OEM lighting, and they're still legal for road use. By installing these fog lights, you're not only going to increase the width of the lighting, but you're also going to increase the range. Because the bracket that's equipped on them is much like the factory bracket, so you're able to bolt this up to the stock location without having to drill any new holes. And as far as the wiring goes, it'll come with a jumper harness, so you basically plug one side into the factory connector and then the other side into the new fog light, which makes everything really nice and easy. Let's jump into the install and show you guys how they look. To start things off, we're going to hop in the Bronco and turn the wheel to the side that we're working on first, because this is going to give us a lot more room to be able to access the bolts to the factory fog light. Now with the wheel turned, we're able to access the 4 bolts that hold in the factory fog light and the connector. Alright, go ahead and remove the connector from the factory fog light. And then now we'll do the 4 bolts. With the factory Bronco fog light removed, now we're able to go ahead and install our new Diode Dynamic Elite Series fog light. One thing that is worth mentioning about these fog lights is since they are a direct replacement, you just use all the old factory hardware to install them. After you have your new Diode Dynamic fog lights installed, like I said, it does come with a jumper harness, so we're going to go ahead and install this as well. It's pretty simple. It's just going to plug into the factory connector, and then the other side's going to plug into the new fog light. So as you can see, installing the Diode Dynamic Elite Series fog lights onto the new Bronco is a pretty easy job. If you give yourself about an hour, that should be plenty of time. It's time to drop a gear and disappear, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, check out cjponyparts.com for all your Bronco part needs.